Yalo chicken, Ovation Red Carol, Christmas, Leko, Policy.
My name is Dele Momodo. I publish Ovation International Magazine. I've been a teacher, I've been a scholar, I've been an administrator, I've been a businessman, and I'm also a politician. It's such a shame that we live in a society where there is so much poverty. You can hardly survive on your business. And that is the situation with a lot of our artists. So it's very easy for anybody to come and hijack them. It's very easy for anybody to convince them to endorse them. I have no problem with it if a musician is going to sing at weddings, you are going to sing at funerals, you are going to sing at concerts. But when you use your personal brand to endorse a politician who has not inspired you in any way, then something is wrong. If you look at the United States of America, a lot of musicians came out to endorse Obama because they could connect to his message. What he was saying could resonate with them. But in Nigeria, we all know that it's all about bread and butter, and a lot of people believe that this is the season of politics, and it is very easy for them to make some quick money. But then, how much is the money? When you look at the equity that is being frittered away by the artists, then you will know that there is problem. Well, in his case, what happened really was that Zaki has been my friend for many years. And when I saw him singing for Jonathan, I called him and I said, Zaki, what is going on here? Have you abandoned your friend and your brother? And he came back to tell me that no, I haven't abandoned you. But the case for Jonathan was that it was strictly business. And in a society where it's very difficult for you to get that type of business every day, it will be foolhardy to be totally objective about who to endorse or not. And he told me that, as a matter of fact, he was already working on 4 different songs for me for free. And where I come from, we don't look a gift horse in the mouth. So I'm very grateful to him that he could still show me that kind of love. There were people who don't even pick my calls when I call them. There are people who are not ready to talk to Dele Momodo. And these were guys that at different times you must have supported in one form or the other. I'm a media person. I've been in the media. I've been in the entertainment industry. And you would expect that most of our artists who benefited from my promotion, either through Ovation or through Ovation Red Carol, or even financially, will be very willing to endorse me. But it's a very useful lesson that I've learned from this politics. I wouldn't endorse. I would publish, I would do interviews with any politician. That is the job of a journalist. But I would not use Ovation to endorse a politician and say, support Jonathan. Ovation, no. But I would do interviews. That's why I'm saying that if you were performing at function, that's your job. An artist can perform anywhere, anytime. But you cannot use your own equity and waste it on a politician. If it's to do with events, I have no problem with it. But when you're now shouting, good luck for me, good luck for you, or whatever they were singing, I think that went a bit overboard. I wouldn't mind them going to perform for Jonathan. He can have a state dinner. Maybe the Queen of England is visiting Nigeria, for example. Maybe the daughter of the president is having a wedding. That's a different, that's pure business. You are not endorsing anybody. You are just doing your job. But the moment you say, vote for Jonathan, then you have crossed the line.
Nigeria, I call on you. The last thing we need right now, not bad luck.
There's nothing wrong with it. I've always been an activist, even as a journalist. There's never been a time that Nigeria was in crisis and Dele Momodo was not involved. During the June 12 crisis, for example, I was put away in prison by the Babangida administration. During the Abacha time, I was forced into exile in London. And that was how Ovation itself started. I was in London for 3 years. I couldn't enter my country, Nigeria. Last year, I was one of those who demonstrated on the streets of Abuja for Jonathan to be allowed to govern. So there is nothing new or strange in what I'm doing at the moment. I've always been very political, and I will always be political. I will always be relevant. I've spent a lot of time, energy, and resources on trying to promote democracy and good governance in Nigeria. I've told you, it's about bread and butter. A lot of people have told me that they're sorry, you see, they just can't stick out their necks. That is the nature of our society. But when our artists get big enough, when they get to a stage where they don't need anybody, you don't need the president, you don't need the governors, then some people sang for a governor last weekend in Nigeria. They came together and they claimed that it was for free. But this same governor, they did not know him 4 years ago. So everybody in Nigeria rushes to the man who is in power. If I get into power next week or next month, after the election, you will see that all of them will be back. And then they will remember that Dele has always been our godfather. But I hold nothing against anybody. There are people who have done things for me, and I salute their courage. Shina Peters, for example, has gathered about 16 artists to sing for me. And I didn't have to call him. He was my best man when I got married. So I've been in the industry for so long. If you look at Wasiu, for example, one of the songs he sang for me is a bestseller right now on YouTube. That's K1 The Ultimate. There are others who have done things. We have Freeze and Old School, 2 students from the University of Ibadan. They sing like that great. It's amazing what these guys did. I had a couple of Nigerian artists in the United States of America who came together and sang for me. So people have been doing things. You've already mentioned Zaki. I thank him every day. He's always there. Despite the fact that he's singing for the other people, but then I think the song he sang for me is even better than the one he did for Jonathan. The now generation. There are so many of them. They're all my friends. From Two-Face to Timaya, to P-Square, to D'banj, to Wande Cole, to Dr. Seed. I know everybody. All the young girls, Waje, Mocheda, all of them. Dare, everybody is my friend. There is nobody in the industry. Oh, when I become president, you will see what we do to the entertainment industry. I don't have to promise them 200 billion before they support me. No. We will use our money judiciously to make entertainment big business in Nigeria like it is in the state of California.
Quality.